Hi everyone, welcome back to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve. Okay, look at me. It is freezing. Look at me, my outfit for the day. Yep, this is my only rain boot. Anyway, I'm at Disneyland today and I want to show you guys what's happening at Disney during the raining day like this. Typically, we don't get a lot of rain here, but when it's rain, it's a disaster here. Anyway, so let's go have a magical raining day with me at Disney. First thing you should know during the really bad raining storm like this, a lot of popcorn stand, churro stand, they will be closing. Obviously, there's no character meet and greet outside. They usually move the character inside. Like for example, the great moment with Mr. Lincoln, that's where they usually move the character inside. Okay, so let's go look around. It is Tuesday. That means there should be a new pin drop today. So we're also going to check it out too. The rain actually kind of stopped a little bit right now, so pretty nice. Just a little drizzle, that's all. Okay, let's go. Oh, let's go to the store here. I see the pin board out. They have not had a pin board here for a long time. So it's good to see they are back. Although, I don't see anything I like. But they're back. Can I take a look? This is the new today, right? Oh, thank God no mystery box. So I don't spend more money.
Did we have this one? I think this was last week.
Oh yeah, I already complete that. They're pretty. This is nice. Oh, it's really cool. Showtime. So it looks to me this one gonna be like a collection. It's so pretty. So these are the open editions. Yellows are $14.99. There's a lot of wedding pins here. Princess China will love this. Oh, it's starting raining a little bit now. So let's check the wait time for all the ride on the board. So since it's raining, we're gonna go into the Disney clothing store. So we're gonna cut through so avoid the rain. So do you guys like this collection? I thought it was very fun, very cute. Oh, this is new. Oh my gosh. See that? This is the ice cream thing. It feels so soft. How much is that? $39.99. Oh my gosh, Charlotte will love this. So we're going to Plaza Point to see the new, see what I have. Oh my God, this is the Easter Bunny. This is so cute. I love this color on Mickey. And the Minnie is in the pink outfit. And they are $34.99. Let's take a look what I have. Oh, I see something cool. Oh, I like that. Let's trade that and that one. Oh, I'm impressed. I found something. So let's check out the, oh, see this one's closed now. Okay, I want to also show you, because the corn dog store is also closed too. But this stand is actually open. That's kind of decent, I guess. The wait is not too bad. Rice resistance 40 minutes. 10 minutes for Mickey Runaway. Autopia 30 minutes. Really? Who go there on a raining day? Indiana Jones only 25 minutes. That's good. Matterhorn 15. Space Mountain 50 minutes. So it's actually pretty good. Okay, we are going to the Star Trader. See what they have and maybe new pins in there. Okay, the pin board here is all the way in the back. Well, this one's cute. All right. Okay, now you know where it's at. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I was walking and I saw a really cute bag. It's very heavy. Like very, very heavy. I don't know why. It's cute. Shh, shut up. That is so cute. They need this for adult. Okay, I was gonna go to tomorrow trading, but there's no, oh, there's a pin board there. Let me ask her. Hi, can I take a look at your pin board?
Which one? This one?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What?
Oh. Wait, glasses first.
You need those. They help.
Yeah. Oh my God, I can see you now. Hi.
Well, you might not want to do that. Just kidding.
No, you're fine. Oh, that's cute. Oh, we can do that. Okay. Let's do that too. Yep, there you have it. Raining day at Disneyland. Let's check out the pinboard here. Hello. Do you see anything you like? I don't. Oh wait, that's a new plushie for the Swish. That's cute. Let's put on the shoulder pad. Alright, Dumbo is 20 minutes. At least you're waiting under the cover, so it's not that bad. Oh, the rain's getting harder now. Oh, I'm so excited because I'm here for the rain, so it better rain. Okay, let's check out over here. 20 minutes for Mr. Toad, the wild ride. So I still don't even know what movie is that. Okay, so we keep on walking. Peter Pan is bad because when you wait in the line, there's really no undercover. So you're basically waiting outside. That's bad. Okay. Peter Pan is 20 minutes. Snow White 15 minutes. Okay, that's not too bad. So we are going to check the Merlin Marvelous Miscellaneous Store. Oh, you have a pouch too?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. I'll definitely trade that and this one.
Sure.
It's raining very hard. It's crazy. Okay, let's go to Frontierland from here. I don't think there's anybody doing pen trading at a pen trading table. If they are die hard. But we just want to go check it out. Cool. It's a pour rain now. Nobody at a pen table. I knew it. What if I stand right there? I wonder what people come over want to trade with me. We got the pens here. Oh, that's a nice one. Let's do this one. Outpost is close too. The rain is getting harder now. Okay, let's check out the Pioneer Mercantile Store. It's pretty full, huh? Okay, I don't see anything I like, but it's full. So let's go to the Adventureland Bazaar. It turns out a pen trading day today, but it's okay because it's been a while I do actual pen trading in the park. So, and plus we're doing pretty good and something to show you guys. Let's look at their pinboard. God, can it be any darker than this? Can't see much. I don't think I see anything I like. Do you? Speaking about Yibu Beauty, we're having a Valentine's Day gift right now. With any $30 purchase or more, you will get our full-size Enchanted Blue Refining Face Mask. That mask is really amazing. In just 5 minutes, retexturize your skin, make your skin smoother and softer and brighter. And we'll always offer free shipping, so definitely check it out. I almost got killed by the umbrella. Okay, so check out Yibu Beauty, support my business. Pirates Caribbean, 5 minutes. I love this. How are you?
Good, my friend.
Yes.
Hey, you need water. How you from?
Yeah. Do you have a trivia today?
I do. I always have trivia.
Let's try one.
Okay, would you like the movie or in the park?
In the park.
You like in the park?
Okay, movie.
Something? I just like, I don't know. Usually people always say in the movie. What is this movie you watch?
Aladdin.
three.
And what is it?
Name 3 Disney movies, so I can pick from.
Oh, okay. My God. Aladdin, Little Mermaid, and Beauty and Beast.
Nice. Okay, Aladdin, Little Mermaid and
Beauty and the Beast.
Love it. Okay, I choose the Aladdin. You said Aladdin first. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. In the movie, I was like, okay. In the movie, Princess Jasmine have a pet, right?
Uh-huh.
So what's the name of the pet? The specific one I'm gonna say it is the tiger.
Russia.
There you go.
Oh my god, I won! Oh, nice. Let's get that. I don't have that. Whoa, look at the pens I traded today. Not bad. And that is a Rapunzel. Not bad for raining day, right? Alright, I hope you liked this video showing you Disney on a raining day like this. Is crazy. If you like video like this, make sure you follow me over here. Turn on the notification bell so you know time and day I release my video. See you later. Oh my god, it's getting wet. Bye!